Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we change text size in our Infinix phone. Guys, you can see your phone text sizes. Hence, you want to change your Infinix phone. So, how can you change your phone text size in your Infinix phone? In this video, I will show you guys. So, before starting video, friend, first of all, go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon, like my video. So, when first of all, we will on our phone setting to change text size. After on phone setting guys, you will have to scroll it. Friends, you can see your phone display and brightness setting. Click here guys, you can use your display and brightness setting from here. So friends, you can see your phone text size means font size, and guys you can see your text size setting. Guys, you want to change into large size, you want to change into small size, you can change from here. So guys, we will change into large text size. So friends, you can see your large text size setting in your Infinix phone. So like that guys, you can change your phone text size in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.